Yesterday I got up at 6:30. First, I went to the kitchen and had a cup of tea and toast for breakfast. Then I went to the bathroom and cleaned my teeth. After that, I got dressed and brushed my hair. At 7:30, I went to work. I took the bus to Cabramatta. I arrived at work at 7:50. At 12 o'clock, I had lunch, and at 4 o'clock, I went home. At 7 o'clock, I had dinner with my family, and then we watched TV. At 11:15, I went to bed. On Saturday, I got up late. At 11 o'clock, I went shopping at the supermarket and the fruit and vegetable market. Then, I went swimming at the local swimming pool. After that, I had lunch and then cleaned my house. In the evening, I went out to a restaurant with friends. On Sunday, I also got up late. After breakfast, I went swimming again for some more exercise. In the afternoon, I visited my parents. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched TV. Then I read a book in bed. Yesterday was a terrible day. I went to a barbecue at a friend's place. I took the bus to Fairfield, but the bus was an hour late. Because I arrived late, everyone had already started eating, so there was no food left. I was very hungry. On the way home, the bus had a flat tire. Then I had to walk home, but it started to rain. I got very wet. I had a terrible day yesterday.